In order to make this bracelet, we need 4 strings in 2 different colors. For bracelet frame color, you need 1 string of 110 cm or 3 feet 7.25 inches. For the bracelet center and shell color, you need 1 string of 110 cm or 3 feet 7.25 inches and 2 strings of 95 cm or 3 feet 1.5 inches. Here, I will call the dark pink dark and light pink light. First, fold 2 shorter light strings into half. Place the longer light string as shown, leaving 10 centimeters or 4 inches hanging on the left side from the folded center parts. Take the dark string and place it as shown, leaving 10 centimeters or 4 inches hanging on the right side of the folded center parts. Attach all the strings on the left side firmly on the working surface. Now we are making the initial loop. If you like a slower video on this, please check any of my recent tutorials of chain bracelets. Take the longer light string and make 7 backward-forward knots on the other 3 strings. Switch the tape on the right side and take the dark string. Make 7 forward-backward knots on the other 3 strings. Now form the loop and attach it on the working surface. Separate the longer light string and dark string from others and place them on each side. Now we make the bracelet part using square knots. Take the light long string and make a triangle. Then use the dark string and place it on top of the light string. Take the dark string, pass it under all the center strings, then pass it through the triangle part. Pull the 2 strings firmly on each side. Take the light long string and make a triangle. Then take the dark string and place it on top of the light string. Take the dark string, pass it under all the center strings, then pass it through the triangle part. Pull the 2 strings firmly on each side. We just made 1 square knot. Repeat these steps a few more times before separating the 2 excessive strings. After making about 1 centimeter or half an inch of square knots, separate the two excessive strings from other center strings. Place them aside as shown. Continue making square knots. I made until the whole length, including the loop, reached 6.3 centimeters or 2.5 inches. Now flip over the whole thing to make the shell part. Place the tape close to the edge of the square knots. Take the light long string on the left and make one forward-backward knot on all the other strings. Separate one of the light strings from the others. Make one forward-backward knot on other 4 strings on the right. Separate one of the light strings from the others. Make one forward-backward knot on other 3 strings on the right. We do the same thing with the other 2 light strings. Now, we flip back to the front side. Now, we use light string on the left as lead string. Take the next light string and make double half hitch knot on the lead string. When you have formed the knot, make sure to keep the lead string straight and wrap it with the working string. Form the knot as close as possible to the attached part. We repeat the same step with other 3 light strings using the same lead string. Now we change the lead string. Use the left light string as the lead string and make 4 double half hitch knots with other 4 light strings on the right. For the third row, we use the same lead string but in opposite direction. Take the lead string you just used, bend toward left, and make double half hitch knot with the next light string. Use the same lead string and make one double half hitch knot with the next light string. We repeat the same step with other two light strings using the same lead string. Now we change the lead string. Use the light string on the right as the lead string and make 4 double half hitch knots with other 4 light strings on the left. We just finished the shell part using double half hitch knots. Now we flip to the back side again. Now we are closing the shell part. Take the light string next to the dark string and make 1 4 backward knot onto the dark string. Take the next light string and make 1 4 backward knot on both strings on the right. Take the next light string and make 1 forward backward knot on all the 3 strings on the right. Take the next light string and make 1 forward backward knot on all the 4 strings on the right. Finally, take the last light string and make 1 forward backward knot on all the 5 strings on the right. Now, flip it back to the front side. Adjust the connecting parts to form good angles. Now, we make the other side of the bracelet. Separate the longer light string on the right and the dark string on the left. Make square knots the same way as we did for the other side. Continue making the square knots until it reaches the desired length. After making square knots, divide the 6 strings in half and make 2 of the 3-strand braids and finish them with overhead knots. After that, cut the edge strings, then also cut the excessive strings popping out from the backside of the bracelet. And we're done. So far, I made this in 3 colors, and I hope you enjoyed making it with me too. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.